Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I've had a lot of requests to do another extreme cleaning motivation video. So today that's what we're doing. I hope this gives you that extra motivation to get cleaning.
You get everybody staring for days. All they see is just a young pretty face.
Whenever I start cleaning the house, I really like to switch things up, and so today I decided to start in my bedroom. My vanity is mostly glass and it tends to get pretty dusty, so I like to clean that regularly.
Something you're keeping inside, but I'm trying to get to know you much better. No matter how much time it takes.
I've really been enjoying the Miss Meyer's multi-surface everyday cleaner in the scent Peony lately. It just smells so good.
Not listening, but I still hear you screaming. Going under. One step away till you hear what I'm saying. Sounds like thunder. And the clouds are closing in. You see, I know this, but the last day.
Having two little toddlers running around, I feel like my furniture tends to have a lot of fingerprints on everything, so I do try to wipe it down regularly.
That I will take off and find something great.
I like to take everything off of my nightstand when I clean it because it tends to get pretty dusty. I'm still using the Miss Meyer's multi-surface in the scent Peony. I also really like the Method All-Purpose in the French Lavender. As you can see, my husband likes to toss his clothes up on the dresser, which I prefer to have everything nice and clean, so I'm constantly moving them and putting them away.
I wanna get inside your love, We'll move all night, no worries, no doubts. This is my time to.
I'm now using the Method Glass and Surface Cleaner in the scent Mint. It smells really good and I feel like it does a really great job on glass and other surfaces. We're now moving over to the master bathroom. I do share this with my husband and it tends to get kind of cluttered, so I do like to pick everything up on a regular basis and I like to spray everything down. I do my makeup over in this area, so it does get pretty caked up with makeup. When I'm cleaning the bathrooms, I like to use the Method Antibacterial All-Purpose Cleaner in the scent Wildflower. As I mentioned, I like to do my makeup in this area of the bathroom, so as you can see, I really need to scrub out the sinks because my foundation really likes to stick. Next, we're moving on over to my son's room. I do like to make his bed on a daily basis. For me, it just looks really nice when I walk into his room and everything is picked up and the bed is made.
It's right in the morning, like a warning. Could have slept here for days.
Whenever I'm making Preston's bed, I always move it away from the wall a little bit. I think he's just so excited to go to bed every night that he does a running start and jumps into bed, which pushes the bed over against the wall, and it's starting to chip off some of the paint. I just recently gave Preston's dresser a good deep cleaning, so today I am just gonna go over it really quickly just to wipe everything down. Now I am vacuuming Preston's floors. Our dogs aren't allowed in the kids' bedrooms, but they do tend to sneak in from time to time, so I like to give the floors a really good cleaning just to get all the hair up. I'm now moving over to Kensington's bedroom. I decided to start on her closet doors because one of them got into some crayons and there's a few marks that I really needed to scrub off the doors. Same with Kensington's dresser. I just deep cleaned both of their rooms. I took everything off the dresser and wiped everything down, so today I'm just quickly going over everything.
I'm right here dodging the light, but nobody knows who is the cat, who's the mouse, and I'm not.
I'm now moving over to our main bathroom. This is the bathroom that the kids use, and as you can imagine, having a 4-year-old boy, there's constantly a mess to clean up. So I'm either usually bleaching the area just to really disinfect it, or I like to use the Method antibacterial all-purpose cleaner. I really try to not waste paper towels, but when it comes to the bathroom, especially the toilet, this is when I do use paper towels to really clean everything up. When I'm cleaning the toilets, I like to use the Clorox toilet wands. It really kills the germs and gets rid of the lime stains that tend to form at the bottom of the toilet. I'm now switching over to the Method glass and surface cleaner in the scent Mint, just to really wipe down all of the mirrors. I do like to clean the little mini toilet. Kensington hasn't quite started potty training yet, but she does like to sit on it and pretend. Lastly, I am moving into the kitchen. I am using the Method antibacterial all-purpose cleaner in Wildflower again and really disinfecting all of the countertops. I hope you all enjoyed this clean with me video. If you did and would like to see more in the future, please make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and turn on the notifications so you know when I post my next video. See you next time. Bye.